This video is a demonstration of the math online homework system at Cal State Monterey Bay. To access the website, point your browser to math.autolabs.org and then select the course for which you want to complete the online homework. For this demonstration, we're going to do Math 130 Pre-Calculus. I can click on the course. I arrive at the course web page. If I don't see the online homework assignments, I can access them from by clicking on the online homework link to the right of the page. Here's a list of the online homework assignments for this course. The due date for this assignment 1 is August 30th at 11:59 p.m. You can complete this assignment or attempt this assignment as many times as you like before the due date, and the system will record all the scores, and your grade will be the maximum score over all your attempts completed before the deadline. You can still do the online homework after the deadline, but it will be for practice only. So let's go ahead and try an assignment. We click on our assignment. Make sure your name shows up at the top here and not someone else's if someone else has been using your computer. Problem set 4 means this is my 4th attempt on this assignment. The first paragraph here are general directions that are listed on every assignment. The second paragraph will be directions specific to that assignment. If the problem requires you to enter the answer in a certain way, it will say so in the problem. So let's go ahead and try some of these. I'm going to answer some of these questions. So it tells me I have to answer this as a fraction. The second answer, I'm going to type in 150. And for the third answer, I'm going to type in 75. Now, I can complete the rest of the problems later on if I'd like, but I have to make sure I save my answers. I can save or grade my answers by clicking on one of these buttons at the bottom of the page. If I save my work, it tells me it's been saved. If I go back to the course web page, go to the online homework page, and select the same assignment, notice my answers reappear. So you don't have to do the assignment all at once. Now for each attempt, you get 2 tries to get the answers right. So let's submit these answers for grading and see what happens. So during my first pass, it tells me that I got the first problem incorrect. But notice, it gives me a chance to fix this answer. The answer should be 1/36. So I'm going to make that correction now. The second answer is correct. The third answer is correct. The remaining answers are incorrect because I did not answer them. For this demonstration, we'll go ahead and hit the grade button one last time. This is my second pass of my 4th attempt. I'll hit the grade button. I'm still on my 4th attempt here, but notice any answer I didn't get correct, they give you the answers, or any problem I didn't get correct. If I'm not sure how they arrived at the answer, I can click here to see the worked out solution, and it gives me a solution particular to that page. Each attempt you get similar but different problems, and each student will get similar but different problems. And I have answers and solutions to each of all the pages, and it tells me my score at the bottom. So I have 2.4 points on this assignment. Each assignment is out of 10 points. If I want to complete the assignment again, I can go ahead and sign into the assignment, and it gives me my 5th attempt. Notice the problems are similar but slightly different from what we had before. It's really important that if you don't get 100% on your first pass, that you submit your answers for grading the second time. Otherwise, it won't count towards your grade. We're almost done with this demonstration, but I want to show you a couple other features in the online homework system. So if I go back to the online homework page where they have listed the assignments, and I go very bottom to the tools section, I can check my online homework grades. So it tells me that I have a grade of 2.4 out of 4 attempts on assignment 1. Now if I go back to the online homework page and visit the tools page once again, I can view my work for the whole semester. So I can view each of my 4 attempts that I've done. If I click on my 4th attempt, I can see the same problems, and I can access the help on those problems as well. So all your work is saved throughout the whole semester. So if I wanted to do problem set 5 and I was having trouble with problem 4, I could look at my previous attempts on problem 4 and see if I could answer the question. Lastly, the last tool at the bottom of the online homework assignment page is the online homework use and advice. And it's just simply a text of all the information I'm giving you in this video. If you have any technical issues with the online homework system, you can always click the email address at the bottom of the page, mathonline@csumb.edu, and send an email. In that email will reach someone who can help you. And this concludes the introduction to the math online homework system at CSUMB.